did in that poor boy, this one was a part of it. That Danny was a good one. Lot of spunk. But heartbroken because the Phillies did something with a pennant.
They blew the pennant race in '64.
That was it. The boy was thrown off to the baseball team. And he was always trying to organize a game at the bar. I was going to be a cheerleader. I get the breakfast just pretty.
You, Timmy O'Brien?
Yeah. What's it about?